Soundtracks. Plus. Okay, soundtracks. If you can hear me, say hi, David. Let me know if you can hear me. Okay. What's wrong with it, my chemo? Okay. How old? How old? Hi, Dylan. Okay, can hear me, right? The sound, everything's good, right? Okay. Because 8 o'clock starts, so somehow 2 minutes earlier. Checks on everyone. Okay. 7 right now. Hey guys. Sound checks. Okay, I have Matthew. Matthew Abraham. Quite some time I'm not seeing you in the live, right? Because your name is not too familiar with it. Okay. So we are going to start exactly at 8 o'clock. I think not 8 o'clock, 8:03 to make sure everyone comes in first because right now it's just about 6 or 7% in this room. So let's see what happened. What's this? 999. Phase 1 haven't passed. What's wrong with it? Oops. Yep. Okay, 8:01 right now. We're going to start at 8:03. Guys, keep me update. So let me know how many of you have already gotten a spot. If you already gotten a spot, then let me know type spot. Okay, if you still zero spot, you type 0. I don't know here. 0 spots. Serious? I thought I already mentioned very clear last 2 weeks. I think I did mention very clear about last 2 weeks. I already said 82, 79, 76, 74, 72, something like that. Still 0%. Everyone hoping for the best price, right? Okay. Okay, so it's not to wait too much. I mean, Straight start at 8:03. Okay, right now you're having 17 percent over here, please. Okay, I don't wait too long already. Okay. So everyone, give me update. How many percent? Okay, how many? What is the position you're holding right now? Any spot? The first thing. If it's a spot, if you're having any spot, you type 30% portfolio, 20% portfolio, 50% portfolio, 100% portfolio in spot. Okay, that's the first question. The second question I want to ask you is about the any futures or any prop trading situations right now. I mean, your status in your prop tradings. If you're having a long trade or a short trade, let me know. With what price is it? If you're having a long trade with about somewhere between 83K or maybe 87K, or maybe having a short trade 88K, so you need to let me know too in futures. Okay, especially in prop trading too. Your status right now, a phase one, phase two, or funded withdrawal. Okay, give me update. Hi Freeman, long time no see. Freeman, I think soon I'm seeing you. I think most likely after 2 weeks. But I think we'll be doing it in Zoom, lah. So I will try to make it as fast as possible. Okay. So Joyan having Ethereum long 1008 lah. Joyan, this two number is a bit sensitive. You need to be careful. You really need to be careful, Joyan. What is your stop loss, Joyan? I'm not. You don't need to 100% follow me, which means that if what I mean, you need to be careful. As in, oh, got two and three, which is good. Which means that you believe that they'll be going lower and lower, somewhere between 78 or maybe 76, right? Yeah, so it's good. So if you're having a multiple entry price, which is, I think this is good. Okay. But remember, if you are going for a big portfolio and also with the big price gap, right? I would recommend your stop loss have to be somewhere between 69,000 and below. Okay, 69, yeah. You guys. So guys, those that came in late, right? Update me, please. Try your best to update me. Uh, wait, just okay. Try to update me about the okay. First thing, two questions. What is your portfolio in your spots? Let's say 20%, 30%, 50%. For me right now, I'm having 20% in spot. I got it in at about 81K, 81.5. That's my 20%. So what is your 20% or maybe 30% or maybe 0% or maybe 50%, 100%? I don't know. But you need to let me know. We need to start to accumulate our spot right now. That's the first thing. Second, because those that follow my life, right, you know that last 2 weeks I already mentioned to everyone, 82, 81 is a good price to buy in. Correct or not? Okay. Second, we talked about what? But we talked about our futures or prop trading status. If you have futures having a long trades, you need to let me know. Long what price, short what price, what the stop loss. You need to let me know. Or futures, you did the same. What's the status right now? Not futures. Prop trading, you need to let me know about what is the status right now. If it's a prop trading right now, it's like status is like first phase, challenge two, challenge one, or maybe funded. You need to let me know too, because once I know who are you, what I can deliver, that's the best. You know, every Thursday we are trying to best to do what? Every Thursday, this live is trying to keep everyone update together. You need to have a same channel, same connection, same synchronized together. What price are we looking? What price do we sell? Okay, so my life, right, basically 1 month, 2 times on it, guys. 1 month, 2 times of life. And this life, I'm going to tell you that is for me and you to stay connected with a single price. A price that we know when to buy in, a price that when we know when we exit. Basically, this life wouldn't take much of your time, 30 minutes. But these 30 minutes, I believe that it's going to save you from once it enter the bear market. Because a lot of us always know how to buy, we don't know how to sell. That's the biggest pain and biggest issue, which I believe that we need to face this together and we need to overcome these issues together. Okay? Did my sound everything good? Sounds good, right? I'm Alasavi. Phase 1 drawdown 500, shorting Bitcoin. Take profit. Stop loss 84. Okay, ZS. A bit dangerous, this stop loss. A bit dangerous. Okay, now we talk about it. We try to talk about it. So guys, okay, 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 let's start right now. It was already okay, being too talkative today. Okay, being straightforward today, my life will just stick with about 20 minutes to 30 minutes. So you need to watch until the end, you know what is the plan. Okay, you don't come back and watch live. When you come back and watch replay, a bit too late here. But somehow to the best thing is what, you know, the best thing is about in my life, right? The engagement means everything. Okay, you need to let me know about what conditions and what happened to you, and also what you're doing right now. Okay, that's the first thing. Okay, second, my life purpose, but my life purpose is to making sure that we have a same channel together, so that you know what you need to do on your hand. Okay, either in spot, either in futures, either in prop trading. So basically, I don't sell anything in my life. I'm just hoping that my community or my followers to making sure that you all have the same channel. I don't want because of me you come into crypto but you don't know how to exit. I want you to make money and exit. That's the key. So this is the purpose of every 2 weeks I have my live here. So remember guys, go to a notification there, just click on the notifications. I don't want to like keep everyone informed every single day in the WhatsApp. That's quite hard. So try your best, go to a notification and just click on the notifications. Okay. So first thing we come here first. So it's been a while, right? Okay. Not life purpose, it's life LIVE. Yeah. Okay, good. So So what is the background right now? Okay, we talk about chart first. We talk about chart first. So this is what Unity Fund challenge is, a challenge that how where our student withdraw. Okay, totally our follower, our students get to withdraw 1.8 millions that's submitted in this unit in from prop W or from other platforms. Okay, 1.8 amps. So congrats guys that those that get to withdraw quite some money. Like for example, in 90 days, the withdraw the most I think is somewhere 50K, 60K. And why is it delay? Okay, this is a website that we use to trace. I mean, we use to trace what is a withdrawal. Okay, what is a withdrawal? For example, this one, Top Mix get to withdraw 62,000, and he is a rate trader. He is a rate trader. So guys, if you already withdrawn in your funded account, just try your best to put in your prop WUID when you're trying to register in this page. So once you register, as long as you put in any UID, we are having a small gift for you. A small gift like a keyboard pad with all the trading. I don't know whether I can show it right now. Give me a minute. I'm trying my best to see whether I can show you or not. I think it's a bit hard. It's like a keypad. It's a keyboard pad that shows all the trading graph. So this is a special gift lah to 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 have the same channel with everyone together. Okay, I don't know whether everyone can see it. Oops. I think I can't get it. Never mind. I think never mind lah. As long as you got a UID, just register already, just submit your UID. As long as you withdraw already, at the back end we got the uh because we already have a API that works with CoinW. So basically when you withdraw, it shows here if the UID is yours. Okay, good. Transit mouse pad. It's more like a keyboard pad, I think. It's a bigger one, like this big. That shows somewhere between that shows a different trend line or different charts. Okay. When is the session for 6-star student? Oh yes. Uh, I think most likely it'll be like end of April or maybe early of May. End of April, early of May, Mala. Okay, because next week I'm flying to Japan. Then after that, then I'll try to arrange for that. Good. William said new look today. No, this basically is the Bluetooth. It's a Bluetooth mic and speaker. Easier for me to talk. And looks quite handsome also, right? Okay, come, skip the crap. We only left with 50 minutes because I need to make sure that we need to complete every live in just 30 minutes. So everyone, our time is valuable. I want short, quick, straightforward, so everyone get to capture as much as possible, not too long. Okay, spot 20% for 1008 Freeman. Okay, good one. Trade funded, no trade now. Waiting withdrawal and C3 review. Freeman, thanks for your honesty. No choice. We need to do the we need to do the C3. Okay, so right now today, okay, day charts, right? You remember the same. I believe that it is still remain the same. Okay, remain the same entry price. Remember we said before, our entry price, I said very clear. Okay, what price is it? No difference, still remain the same. Okay, where's my arrow? And my son is crying. It's okay. Okay, 72.8. So as I said, 72, trying to make it like this. 4 or 5 entry start from 82. 82, 78, 74, and 72. Something like this, I think. As I already said, separate into 4. Okay, so some of you, I believe that you already start to buy between 20K. Between 20K. Say what? Not 76, 72, the lowest 72. Okay, so average price, stop loss below 69. So stop loss, basically it is going to hit your 10% stop loss in average. If the price start from here, you get to buy it at 82, 78, 74, 72. So your average price should be around 76. So when it's 76, right, anything below 69, you can sell everything off. Got it? So that's my plan. Okay, that's my plan. But everything below 69 more than 1 day lah. You don't like straight away touch to straight away sell everything. 69 for more than 1 day, then you sell everything off. So what I'm hoping for it go back to 119. Not go back lah, go as high as 116, 119, something like that. 1 to 5 ratio. Okay, 1 to 5 ratio. Is that clear? So option one, if it's really go down like this and it goes up, congratulations. Okay, if it go down like this and continue go down, we are risking 10%. Okay, when we talk about we are risking 10%, right, which means that our entry price is somewhere 76 and our stop loss below somewhere between 60, 68, 67, something like that. So end up your risk is somewhere between 10%. So imagine that you're putting 100K. 100K by buying Bitcoin, you're risking about 10,000. But what is the return? The return we are aiming for somewhere between here, 100 and 116. That's the first target price. Okay, first target price. So when it's first target price, which means that your risk and reward is somewhere between 1 to 5. 1 to 5. Which means that you put in 100,000, you're risking 10,000, but you're making 50K. Okay, got it? So 1 to 5. So let's say today you have 1 million, you can use 1 million to buy Bitcoin, doesn't matter, but your risk is only 100K. Because I go as low as this, you can sell everything off. Got it? But when it went up back, when it goes as high as like 100, as high as the previous high, let's say previous high, right? You're having 4x and 5x, which means that you're risking somewhere between 100,000, but you're making 500,000. So it depends on whether this risk and reward is good for you or not. If you are saying, David, it is not so good because I think 50% is too small for crypto. How many of you feeling 50% is good enough for you? This 50%, I'm not asking you to hold for a few years. I think it's just basically in these 6 months before fourth quarter. Okay, it's before end of the year. So basically, you're holding somewhere between 6 to 9 months only, and we are targeting about 50%, and your risk is 10%. Is that clear? Clear? Got it? Got it. Let me know. Good. So how much? I don't say amount because everyone have different amounts. Some 100K, some have 50K, some having 1 million, some having 10 million. I don't know. Okay, for me, I put more than 10M in this 4 price. Okay, got it. because I put more than 10 amp because I'm risking 1 amp. My damage cost right now, I'm willing to sacrifice 1 amp for 5 amp. Okay, got it. So 1 amp for me in return for 5 amp, I'm thinking still reasonable. Okay, for this last bull. Why am I saying last bull? Some of us saying that this is already the bear market. Yes, if it go as low as 69,000 and below, this is the bear. Clear? If go anything below 69 and stay above this is a bear. When it is a bear, right, trying to find a good position and short it and make the maximum. And go as low as 38K, 39K already. Okay? That is another planning, another life. We don't assume so far away. But let's say we are not so accurate, which is really come down a bit. Okay, you get to buy one portion, you get to buy the second portion. When you get to buy the second portion at somewhere at 78, right? Then it pumps up back. So you still got 50% portfolio. Let's say you are having 100,000 to spend, you get to buy 50K, but you left with 50K but not able to buy it. What? How is it? How? I would say this 50K you can transfer to my wallet. I'm very happy for it, but it's okay lah. Just kidding with you. It's just that this 50K alone, this 50% alone, right? We can wait for DL, the bull wave. Remember? You can wait for DL, the bull wave. You forget to save. Damn it. Okay, to turn blue, which means that the first blue go above, and you need to break this resistance. The resistance somewhere around here. You need to stay above all the candle 87,000 for more than 1 day. During right now, if you go even lower, the different. I'm talking right now. Okay, if it stays above 87,000 for more than 1 day, you can buy another 25%. I mean, if it's this last red color turns green, you can buy the balance 25,000. Got it? And this time, I'm only focusing on what? One more palm, last palm, then buy. So it's only lasts around 6 to 9 months. I'm not asking you to hold for a year or 2 years, okay? Because this is the last cycle. So we are in basically right now the bull markets, right? We are lots of us, some of us believe it's really end of the month, end of the end of the bull market. But what I believe, right, is when a real bear comes, right, the price correct and also it will plunge really crazy, which means that it will not happen like so slow like this. Okay, it's gonna happen like this. Oops. It's gonna happen like this. Come up, down, up, down, then straight away down, 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 down. So you can see in 2022, it happens. I keep on going down. You cannot even see a side rebound market. But look at this one. Look at this one. It go down, it went up again. Go down, went up again. Go down, went up again. So it is having a strong support, which tells me that there's a chance that maybe there's one more pump only go down. Is that clear? Clear, type clear, let me know. So we have a same channel right now. Are we having the same channel? And let me show you. Wait. I'm going to try on MACD, see whether there's a DU up. During here, it came down one time, came up, go side markets, then went out crazy. Okay, so this is the so let me categorize this. So here, can you see here? What is it called? Sin globally? What is that sin thing? Visual order. Uh, okay, never mind. I would say you try to see this place. You can see, right? It went up, okay? Then straight away crazy went down and go sideways market. But this one, right? It went up, come down, went up, come down, went go down again, then went up again, come down again. So it seems stronger than before. It seems stronger than before. Okay. So right now we still don't know whether it's gonna be continue going down or it's gonna pump another time. So the best thing ever is about this is still a bear market. You are willing to risk that 10%, then go ahead. If you're not willing to risk that 10%, then don't go. Rather you wait for the next bull. Okay? Got it? Clear? Ah? Okay, so next. Uh DU. How it takes from the first sign here, February 5th of February, until now is April 2nd. Okay, let's see the zoom here. The first sign is November 18 until the first sign of going up is about also about 2-3 months. It takes 3 months but keep on going down. And go side market. Good. Okay, so risk if you want to take, you can go ahead. If you don't want to take, I wouldn't stop you. If you're saying, David, if I believe that this is already the bear, how many of you believe that? How many of you having a belief that this is already the bear market? If you believe that it's already the bear market, type bear. If you believe that this is end of bull market, type end bull. Okay? Because right, the whole markets, right, I believe that whole market somewhere between like 80% of persons. I want to do a market survey here. Because based on the market research, right, everyone still believes that this is end of the bull market. That is the last pump. That's the last pump. For me, right, in 2020, um, in this 10 years, basically start from 2024, right, it's a crazy crypto years. So which I believe that there's still one more pump. Okay, so it doesn't matter. I'm risking 10%. That's all. That's my maximum. Good. Okay, a lots of us saying that 50% bear. Okay, you can make up your own decisions. I put in the risk for you already. I put in the risk for you already. I put in the risk and reward ready. If there's no pump, it's end up going to be bye bye. Come down crazy. Okay, there is one resistance that haven't. There's one strong resistance. If it breaks, right, it's very interesting. It's 95K. 95K. Okay, next. So when we talks about the long term, we talk about short term right now. Come back to short term. Short term right now, right? I believe that there's nothing much I can tell you right now. I wouldn't make any decision to short or long right now because we are right at the support. We are right at the support. Okay. You ask me, David, are you going to make a long trade? I will not make a long trade even though this support is there. No, not me. Can you continue short it? I'm saying that it's too far away from the previous high. If you want me to short for a futures trade, right? I would rather you to use a Fibonacci price somewhere between here, 86K. You can try to aim 86K plus minus 85.5, 86 is good. Then you short at this price. I would rather you to short at this price with a stop loss of 3% and you're fighting for something bigger somewhere between 879. This is a good place for you to short. I remember last 2-3 weeks, I asked everyone short at 87K. How many of you short at 87K and make profits? Even cotton also short at 87K. Right now it's like having a good profits. So you got multiple chance already. Yeah. So right now, if you really want to short, right, no longer 87K, somewhere between 85.5 to 86K. Okay, your stop loss 3% away, and you're fighting for something like somewhere 1 to 2. Good, that's the future trade lah. A limit trades. Is that done? Clear? Clear type clear. Next topic. Trades. You can put a limit. So those funded one, right? Those funded and also taking a challenge, right? 1 to 2 ratio is good for this. So if it continue to go up back and you get a short, right? You can risk about maybe 3 to 4%, maybe 3% of the damage cost to fight for another 6%. So it depends on your funded whether you are in phase 1 or phase 2. Phase 2, basically, you already pass it. If it's at phase 1, you're hitting for 10%. Depends you're using Prop W or Pionex. If it's Prop W, phase 1, 5%, right? This trade is going to help you to pass your phase 1. But if it's a phase 2, 10%, right? You can risk 4%. You need to risk 4% and above to fight for something. You need to go for something lower. Okay, somewhere between, yeah, like this. Oops. Okay, somewhere like this, a low one. So if you say you want to aim for something with 1 to 2 ratio and above, this shot is okay for you to aim. Okay, this shot is okay for you to aim. But if you say you want to aim for long, right? I wouldn't go for long at the moment. Okay, I wouldn't go for long. I would rather it breaks the resistance first. It breaks the resistance already, only we talk about it. Let's say somewhere around here. When it breaks this resistance, I only will talk about it. If not, I'm thinking that basically everything is just, I wouldn't believe that it's a bull right now. Okay, seems like a rising parallel channel. It's okay. Last support. If we can't hold this, end story. Bye bye. So if you cannot get to short here, if you cannot get a short here, right? If you're a risk taker, listen, if you're a risk taker, normally I hardly give such a trade lah. If you say I insist you want to trade for you to pass challenge, this is a good for you to aim. Come down, break 80K and come up back, touch the parallel channel, somewhere between 82K. This is a retest point. When it says a retest point, when it comes down, just short it with a stop loss between 2 to 3, but you can aim for something bigger like this. Got it? This is another risky trade. If here doesn't goes up, straight away come down, then I believe that you can enter when it retests with this parallel channel. Okay, it's a bit deep, but somewhere you ask me, David, why are you making such a trades? First of all, I'm using parallel channel to find a good support. If it breaks through, which means that the support is not there. When there's no support, which means we can hope for a retest from there. We can go for short trades, a small stop loss trade, which is able to help me to get a bigger TP price, a big risk and reward ratio. Okay, for you to get funded easier, or maybe your future trades you can open like this. Good, clear? Wow, 8:31 already. Good. So next, someone asking me about any question first. Any questions? So guys, you can just go to this is one of the website that under David Gerstein is under the Unity Crypto. Okay, we are doing this website is meant for all our prop traders. Only our prop traders are. Okay, not to say only our prop traders. It's like most of our Malaysians and also some overseas prop traders that you can being part of us. Okay, my goal is very easy. I just want to make sure that all my students get to withdraw $10 million in just 2025. That's my goal. It's not my withdrawal, it's your withdrawal. Right now, it's already 1.8. Okay, my first goal is 2 millions. When it's 2 million completed, I will start my first some CSR job maybe some kind of like charities. I'm doing planning for charities for kids. That's our first 2 million, and we already start planning for it. 2 millions. I mean, most likely May or June. Okay, so but that is depends on your withdrawal, because what I believe, right? Uh, your withdrawal meant something even bigger than my withdrawal. Because for me, right, if it's a prop trader, you get to make like 20, 30K per month. Um, it couldn't help me much, but I'm hoping that this is going to help a lot of families, lots of father, mother staying at home, get to withdraw their profit like this. Okay. So how to be part of us? Very easy. You just go and register an account, key in your UID. Okay. This is Cotton One. Okay. You can just submit your achievement, key in your UID. That's all. Then after that, your performance will, I mean, it depends on your UID. You will show your withdrawal. So your withdrawal automatically link up so they can see all your withdrawal. Okay. I can show you, right, for unit for last week. These are account, right, which means these guys haven't claimed yet. Someone just withdraw 2K last this week, 1.6, 1.3, 1.2. Okay, in during the month, someone withdraw 4.6K, 4.6K. These are the account that withdraw about 4.6K during these 30 days. Okay, and like Joel get to withdraw 3K. These are the why there is a blue traders. Every single traders have different gift. Okay, as long as if you are just a normal white traders, you can get to receive a keyboard pads. Maybe if you are yellow traders, you get to receive a different gift. A blue trader, you get to receive a different gift. At last, the red traders, you all the like merchandise with different merchandise that are provided by Prop W or maybe others platforms. So guys, try your best. For me, right, gift is not so important yet. Okay, not so important yet, but this achievement, let us achieve something together, as in your withdrawal, you put in your UID, I know who are you. At the same time, it increase this number. When it increase this number, it goes to 2 millions. Then we do our first charity. Second, I think second 2 million, maybe when it's 4 million, I'm hoping that I can start up with a small school. I can build up with a small school. Maybe I'm going to donate on something else. This depends on our management team. They are going to plan it. That's our goal. If not, like doing education's fun is like we can do it together so that we have the same goal. So that's the purpose of this ufc.unitycrypto.com. So guys, how many of you already registered here? Okay, if you already registered, type yes, let me know. Okay, it's free of charge. Of course, there's no money, just to show your result. That's all. Okay, my son is very cute today. Sir, is that clear for everything? Clear for your plans, your entry, your risk, your profit taking, and also your future trades. Even though long and short, also there is a planning ready. Good. Yes. Good. So once clear, stick with the plan. Those that are already funded right now, right? Basically, congratulations, you can just keep on profiting. Okay. Those haven't fund yet, right? Prop W, this is not my advertisement, but somehow yes. Prop W right now in these 3 days, they are having a 15% discount. So when 15%, right? Oh yeah. I think you all can go like this. If it's a 15% one, right? I think you try to choose this. If those small account, you can try to choose this 25K one. This 25,000, right, is quite worth it. If you are not a 100K player, you are not having too much of money lah. I would say 25K is good enough because the cost of it is only 240 minus 15%. It's somewhere 200 plus, but your maximum drawdown is at 10%. which means that you're having a bigger percent of drawdown to use. So by using this one, it's so much easier for you to pass the challenge for this 25. Because above 50K is 8%. Okay, but as usual, if you're a 100K player, then just stick with 100K. Good? Clear? So pass it up. Some of you maybe don't know the way of passing it. The passing it, right? Try your best. Always try your best. Use one entry only. Why not I just release something that, let's say phase one, you are targeting 5%. So for me, right, if it's a 25K account, right, okay, one thing, I'm going to use 4.5% of my damage cost. If it hit, remember, if it hit my stop loss, which I'm going to lose 4.5%. What is the 4.5%? Is somewhere, I think somewhere about 5,000, 5,000 is it? No, 5,000. 5% of 25K. So it's somewhere between 1,250. So you are risking 1,000. Let's say you are risking 1,000 to 1,001. 4.5% for one loss, and you are targeting 5% of the profit. Always remember, try your best to use one trade to pass it. Then when it goes to challenge two, right? It's the same. You're using 4% of your, maybe 4% of your daily loss, but you're targeting 10%, which means that your risk and reward at least 1 to 2.2, 1 to 2.3. So one trade, pass it. If it's fail, wait tomorrow. There's one more trading drawdown and go one more time. The reason is we are fighting for time, and also we are fighting for the more chances that you go into the market, the lower the probability of winning. Remember this, the more chances for you to go into trade, the lower the probability of winning. So the best thing is short, one time go pass, one time pass. That's all. High risk taker. But once you are funded, remember KYC. You need to use your own KYC. Don't use your grandfather, your father, mother. Is don't use someone that, because right now Prop W, right, they are very strict. They want a real person trader. They don't want anyone that use another person to trades. Got it? So use your real person to trades. Okay. Where can I get the link for the website? Okay, very easy. You just need to type ufc.unitycrypto.com. That's all. That's the link. Okay. Prop W wise, is that clear? We are talking about risk and reward. So that's all. Take up the chance once you get 25K, right? Once you get 25K, don't go high risk anymore. You can risk like 2%. You're risking 2% for every single trades. And once you make two, let's say you make 1,000, withdraw. 1,005, withdraw. You just make 2%, also 1-to-1 ratio. 1-to-1 ratio, make 1,000, you can withdraw straight. First of all, you get back your cost. Second, you get back your audition fees. You are zero risk. When you are zero risk, then keep on trying to withdraw every single 2 weeks, every bi-weekly. Reason is because hey, there's a money amount. A profit when you withdraw is only considered profit. The money inside is not your money until you withdraw. Clear? So it's already more than 100K, already more than 400 persons already funded. 50K having 166, 25K is having 22 only. Okay, but somehow still okay. Mostly are going for 100K, I would say, but depends. Everyone have their own budget. Am I right? You can start with 25 first. Okay, but don't go for 5 or 10K. That's too low already. It ends up, right, your KYC is stuck. You are forcing to fill the account. If not, you can't make much profits. I don't want this to happen. Okay, good. So that's all for today. Thank you so much for your time and thank you so much for Happy Hari Raya. Hari Raya, how's it? Selamat Hari Raya, guys. Yeah, thank you so much.